Alright, here we are back with the Foambeak. We're going to insulate a fiberglass tub, regular can of gap and crack foam you can get at any hardware store, any basic bathtub you can get at any hardware store. The reason we're going to insulate this tub is so that when you draw a nice hot bath, the water will stay hot for much longer. Save money on the price of hot water. What I do is just pull the trigger and pull. Now as you can see, it sticks right on the sides of the tub. Just come right on down. Now this tub, as you can see, has feet on it. Some tubs will be flat where you have to set them in a cement base, so you really couldn't do the bottoms of those ones, but this one, since it has feet, we can actually do the bottom of the tub as well. We can go all the way around this thing. So the whole entire tub will be fully insulated. This will take probably 4, maybe 5 cans of foam you can get any hardware store today. Price of the cans were about $4 a can. You can get a 3-pack of Foambeaks currently on Amazon for a few dollars, about 20 bucks worth of canned foam, and you'll have a nice insulated bathtub for the life of the tub. The faster you go, the thinner the layer of foam will be. The slower you go, the thicker it will be. You want to do this the day before you do the install, so that way it'll give the foam plenty of time to fully expand. Now as you can see, this can is getting empty. So what you want to do is have your helper on the side. So as this can is empty, you can quickly unscrew this one, grab another can, screw it back on, and keep right on going. Process goes pretty quick. Doesn't take long at all to change how a bathtub will perform. If you're a contractor and you do bathrooms, remodels, it's a great way to upsell your customer and change the way that their bathtub you buy will perform. Well, this can is going empty, as you can see. So once again, we'll unscrew this one, grab another one, screw it right in, and keep right on going. As you can see, being a vertical surface, the foam sticks right to it, no problem. Ooh. Might make a little bit of a mess. Make sure you have some way to protect the floor that you're foaming it on. Right up to the drain line there for overflow. this can's about empty. That's all there is to it. Let it set up overnight. Install it the next day. And there you go.